one for you.
Namaste. I want to say thank you very much to IIMC for this opportunity and also for the university for inviting us. I'm not only here to present, but I'm also here to learn.
Osa, osa, oh. As night's face out faded by the sun, 10,000 men stand high on the hill. Allow silence as the air so still.
Alright, so we're trying to answer the questions that our professor gave us. Now, what is the project? It's a World Bank group-sponsored Ghana Secondary Education Improvement Project, and it's for a 5-year period. Information and communication technology expansion and connectivity in schools.
Osa, osa, oh. Osa, osa, oh.
Right here at the Taj Mahal, it's one of the 7 wonders of the world. Throughout the morning we've been traveling from New Delhi to Agra, and we're finally here. This is my story, and you see the various pictures that we've been taking here from different angles. Princess Diana was once here, so we also had to go to the exact spot where she took a photo, just for us to also have a memory of it. Now we're just about entering the tomb itself. This is what love can do for you. The king at the time had so much love for the second wife, and when she passed on, he decided to build this just for her, just by entering. Let's see what happens. We just came out from the tomb where we were able to take some photos and videos despite the officials telling us not to. But we had to wear these fanciful things around our foot, I don't know, to show a mark of respect to the departed. And now we're out of here in the Yamuna River, just not too far away from us. And it's a beautiful sight for those who want to take photos and what have you. So this is the whole essence of coming out here, visiting the tomb, and getting a lot of photos as much as possible. But really it's just down to a matter of love. The love shown by the king to the second wife. People drop monies into the tomb, making all sort of wishes. Very much, you know, a fun-filled activity for the foreigners, the Indians, and whoever was able to make it out here today. And so, take a lot of memories back home and reflect upon this song.
This man is regarded or considered as the best boxer to have come from Africa to date. I have a clue of him. And we're one of 3 African nations to have reached the quarterfinals of the World Cup. Only 3 African nations have made it thus far. Senegal and Cameroon are the 2 other African nations who were able to do that. It's something a lot of people don't want to remember, but I still want to remind us today as we continue to talk about Ghana.
Don't play that.
This was our finest moment. We had a penalty almost 90 minutes in the quarterfinals with Uruguay. Ghana just needed to score to make it to the semi-finals. We can become the first African nation to reach the semi-finals. Luis Suarez from Barcelona did that. And this was our finest moment. Score, make it to the semi-finals.